PCCSE Certification is a hot Prisma Certified Cloud Security Engineer exam. We highly recommend to choose the latest PCCSE Exam Dumps as the preparation materials. We have collected 85 practice exam questions and answers for all candidates. You can pass PCCSE Prisma Certified Cloud Security Engineer exam successfully. Which two statements are true about the differences between build and run config policies? Choose two. A. Build and audit events policies belong to the configuration policy set. B. Run policies monitor resources, and check for potential issues after these cloud resources are deployed. C. Run policies monitor network activities in your environment, and check for potential issues during runtime. D. Build policies enable you to check for security misconfigurations in the LAC templates and ensure that these issues do not get into production. E. Run and network policies belong to the configuration policy set. Answer: AC. Which components, if any, will Palo Alto Networks host and run when a customer purchases Prisma Cloud Enterprise Edition? A. Defenders. B. Twistly. C. Console. D. Jenkins. Answer: B. Which type of compliance check is available for rules under Defend, Compliance, Containers and Images greater than C? A. Container. B. Image. C. Host. D. Functions. Answer: C. A customer wants to scan a serverless function as part of a build process. Which twistly command can be used to scan serverless functions? A. Twistly serverless AWS. B. Twistly serverless scan. C. Twistly scan serverless. D. Twistly function scan. Answer: B. The compliance team needs to associate Prisma Cloud policies with compliance frameworks. Which option should the team select to perform this task? A. Compliance. B. Policies. C. Alert rules. D. Custom compliance. Answer: A. The administrator wants to review the console audit logs from within the console. Which page in the console should the administrator use to review this data, if it can be reviewed at all? A. The audit logs can be viewed only externally to the console. B. Navigate to monitor events, host log inspection. C. Navigate to manage, view logs, history. D. Navigate to manage, defenders, view logs. Answer: C. the security team wants to target a CMAF policy for specific running containers, how should the administrator scope the policy to target the containers? A. Scope the policy to image names. B. Scope the policy to namespaces. C. Scope the policy to defender names. D. Scope the policy to host names. Answer: B. A customer wants to turn on auto-remediation. Which policy type has the built-in CLI command for remediation? A. Network. B. Anomaly. C. Config. D. Audit event. Answer: C. Which authentication mechanism is supported by Prisma Cloud? A. Certificate-based authentication for the console UL and the API. B. Certificate-based authentication only for the API. C. Certificate-based authentication only for the console UL. D. SAML-based authentication for the API. Answer: A. Which method should be used to authenticate to Prisma Cloud Enterprise programmatically? A. SAML. B. Access key. C. Basic authentication. D. Single sign-on. Answer: B. You can get 28% discount automatically to cut down your cost.